Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Auto Brightness to turn it on or off. You can also go into Tab menu. Click on this little icon with a sun next to Brightness slider, and this way manage adaptive brightness this same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!